Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to thank you for coming my presentation. Nice to meet you all. I am Dan Eka Handayani and I'm student from Sintu Maroso University Poso. I bring rich subject from one of my lecturer, namely Mem Ika Paramitalantu and Mem Vivin K. Mujango, with the title of material on process-oriented approach in teaching reading narrative text. Rich purpose. This study aims to development reading application in reading narrative text through a process-oriented approach based on previous observation on research. Some of the problem focused by students in reading, such as difficult in a grading ideal, using software and correct grammar. This process-oriented approach was chosen to choose a result-oriented approach. Reach method. This reach was quantitative, so this study used a classroom action research designed by Klimis and Miktray 1988, where planning, action, observation, and relaxation were carried out in 2K classes in the English Education Study Program of the University of Sintu Maroso Poso. Reach objective. The object in Unsimar semester students who are taking reading class 2 in 2018 or 2019. One discussion. Background. At the reading class of Sintu Maroso University Poso, the students are taught to reading some kinds of text. They are descriptive, narrative, and persuasive. Based on research observation, there were some problems focused by students in reading, particularly in reading narrative text. Research assessment that in a learning process the method, teach and teaching a process usage are the factor main that determine student success and failure. Therefore, the research choose a process-oriented approach (POA) to be applied in teaching reading to development student reading skill. It is hoped that students can be motivated and increase their interest in reading English. The researchers in this research used the process of oriented approach that was Professor Ben Shaw in Richard and Rinaldi 202 16 3019 is consistent of planning, drafting, revising, editing, responding, evaluating, and publishing. After implementing the POA, the research must give an evaluation to know the result of student activity in reading. O'Malley and Perch 1995 proposed three kits of reading assessment. They are holistic assessment model, primary assessment, and analytical model assessment. In this research, the research applied the analytic assessment model to evaluate student reading. Feeding and discussion. A. Calculus 1. Several steps have been done in this calculus by the research. Planning activities to reflect the action done in this calculus. The data were obtained from observation sheet, filed notes of 3 meeting questionnaire that the student activities from the test. The research implement the action in 3 meetings, 4 teaching activities, and 1 meeting for the test. The result of test showed that 97% or 26 students were successful and 13% or 13 students failed in the test. The research analyzes the student score in quantitative organization, vocabulary, languages, and mechanics. The reader, the reader and collaborator decide to continue the action to quickly to by focusing the activities on the problem. Focus quickly 1. Quickly 2. They had to reading a narrative text by considering the appropriate narrative structure and language feature of narrative text, and also about the competence of a reading, especially language use and matching. That result of the test showed that 19% or 25 students were successful and 10% or 4 students failed in the test. There were 4 students, 10% get the score below the minimum assessment standard. 35 students, 90% had followed the criterion of success. Such the student had activities the criteria on success in Calculi 2. The next Calculi do not need to do. I called beside that the implementation of the POA process-oriented approach was successful in solving the student problem in reading narrative text. The research and the collaboration concluded that Calculi 2 had been successful and the research was finished. So, the 4 students who did not meeting the criterion of success in this research were given remedial. Conclusion. Based on the findings and discussion of this research, it can be concluded the student reading skill can be developed through process-oriented approach POA. It is proven by the increasing of successful students in Calculi 1, 26 or 67% to 35 or 90% student in Calculi 2. This through some activities implement in a process-oriented approach. It can be cited that the process-oriented approach is appropriate to be effective in development student reading ability, particularly in reading narrative text. That's my presentation. That is all. That is all, and thank you. See you.